Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Cronus Zen to your PlayStation 4. First, gather your Cronus Zen device, a micro USB cable, and your PlayStation 4 console. Before connecting, ensure your Cronus Zen's firmware is fully updated using the Zen Studio software on a computer. This crucial step guarantees optimal performance and compatibility. Once updated, connect one end of the micro USB cable to the Cronus Zen's console USB port and the other end to any available USB port on your PlayStation 4. This establishes the primary connection. Next, you'll need to connect your official PlayStation 4 controller. Use another micro USB cable to connect your controller to the Cronus Zen's one USB port. With both devices physically connected, open the Zen Studio software on your computer. Here, you can access and configure various game packs or custom scripts tailored to your preferences. After making your selections, remember to save your chosen configurations to one of the Cronus Zen's 8 available memory slots. This allows for quick switching between different setups. Once everything is properly connected, the Cronus Zen's LED display should show a 0, indicating it's ready for action. If your controller isn't responding, don't worry, there are a couple of quick fixes. First, try plugging the Cronus Zen into a different USB port on your PlayStation 4 or swap out the micro USB cable. Also, navigate to your PlayStation 4's accessory settings and ensure the communication method for controllers is set to use USB cable for a stable connection. Beyond basic connectivity, the Cronus Zen offers a wealth of advanced features. Dive into Zen Studio to explore options like remapping buttons, fine-tuning sensitivity, and creating intricate custom macros for a truly personalized gaming experience. You can also utilize the Cronus Zen's pass-through port to connect additional peripherals, such as a headset, directly through the device. Remember to regularly visit the Cronus Zen website for the latest firmware updates and to discover new, community-created game packs to enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.